This is our 16th video in our video JavaScript tutorial series, and this video is one of the most important videos in the whole series because this is gonna talk about JavaScript events. That's what makes your whole page interactive. That's how you deal with the web page, and you're gonna see this is so interesting. JavaScript events make you have the ability to create dynamic web pages. Events are actions that can be detected by the JavaScript. So every element in a web page has a certain event which can be triggered. JavaScript functions, for example, we can use the onClick event, and we can indicate for something to run on the web page. So we're gonna have to look for that. Something so nice and important about JavaScript is mouse click event, and there's the mouse over. There's a hotspot over each control, so you're gonna have to look for that. And we're going to get started. Enough about the talking, because this is all cosmetics. We're going to start with onload event, and we're going to make a function called greet me, and I'm going to make a function in head part of the script. I think I've missed out closing the head part here, so let me add that real quick. So the function greet me is going to be as following: no parameters, it doesn't take any parameters, and it gives an alert: hi, welcome to Coderisland. Toots is tutorials. It's a slang internet word, so do not take that as a big deal. So let me close the parentheses here, and let me add another function which is on unload, and say goodbye func. So that's a goodbye function. Let me add the other function right there. So the function is going to be like, I know the name is kind of freaky, but still that's the only thing that came up to my mind right now. So goodbye func, it gives an alert: okay, nice to see you, come back soon. I'm not gonna make the sentence look long so the message box doesn't look so weird. Nice to see you, come back later. Okay, let me close that and semicolon, close out the function, and I'm going to run that. Let me make sure there's nothing so weird about my code. And as it loads, it gives us the greeting function, and I'm going to close the page, and it didn't give me the, hold on, this is what I forgot, two parentheses. Let me run that again. So it greets me once it loads, once it closes, it tells me to come back later. So this is the first part. I'm going to add a form, and in the form I'm going to make an input, and in the input I'm going to make the type equals button. Sorry about that. So type equals button, and let's see, title equals click me, and on click, what does it do? It calls a function that is called uClick. So let me make that function real quick. Let me close the form first, as I am right there. So the function uClick, what does it do? It doesn't take any parameters for starter, and it alerts. It tells you, you clicked me evil one. So that's the button that has been suppressed throughout history, so it screams out for you. So let me run that and check what happens. Well, hi, welcome to Coderisland Tutors. If I click the button, it tells you clicked me, you evil one. So let me close that, and it greets you goodbye. So let's go back here and let's do something else. Let's add a link. href equals http www.coderisland.com/forum. Okay, it's a basic link, and let me add on mouse over. On mouse over, it gives an alert, and the alert says, "Why are you over me?" So let me close those out, and on hold on, let me close this out till the end. Okay, on mouse out, it tells you, well, this link is kind of picky, so if you're on it, it nags. If you're leaving it, it nags, and it tells you, "Why are you leaving me now?" So let me close that, and let me close the reference to the link. Let me give it a name, link to Coderisland. So let me close the \a, and I think I got it. Let me run that, and I hope that works. So let me try to go over it, and it tells me why you are over me, and once I leave, it doesn't do anything. Let me check that real quick. On mouse out, it's supposed to alert. I forgot the function alert. That's so funny. Of course it's not gonna run, so let me run that again, and on mouse over, why you're over me. On mouse leave, why are you leaving me? And basically that's what I'm gonna cover in the tutorial. Of course there's a lot of nice and exciting functions, like on focus, on blur, on change. Like if you're in a text box and you're writing something and it changes, so it gives you a message for it. And there's the on submit function. We're gonna use that later, so I'm not gonna use it right now. The submit function, it checks the form and it submits it. You can use that as a combination between JavaScript, HTML, and PHP, for example, or ASP.NET. So that's something very important, and we're gonna cover in the future, of course. On submit is a very important JavaScript function. So I'm going to stop right here. I don't want to skip through the 10 minutes. Coda by YouTube. So if you got any questions, please submit them to our forum, and if you like the channel, rate 5 stars for the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you.